guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of one of my favorite brands out there, and it is Colourpop. Now I haven't done a Colourpop haul or unboxing video on my channel in a couple of years now and it sucks because I love their makeup so much, and every time I do purchase some of it now I just kind of forget to like film it. I know that sounds crazy. For this specific collection I did want to do an unboxing, a swatching, and kind of get ready with me style video because it is a collaboration with one of my favorite YouTubers out there, and it's Zoe Sugg. I was so excited about it and it was so completely unexpected, and when I saw the actual products in the entire collection, it was so up my alley and I needed to get it for myself. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I don't wanna waste any more time and literally jump right into it. I have this huge box right here waiting to be opened. I ordered the PR package, which, let me just start off by saying, is freaking genius. I just thought it was so smart because if you just literally want everything and you don't want to add like each and everything into your cart, create a PR package for people to buy. I thought that was so smart of Colourpop. Here she is. So excited. Oh, let me just take a moment and look at it. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so inside the PR package, you get 9 different items. And I'm more than positive that inside these little ones in here, there's about 2 products in each box. This is the Zoella and Colourpop Brunch Date package. I'm so excited. Look at how freaking cute this is. I loved this concept that she came out with. I thought it was very, very creative and very, very her. So this is the PR package, as you can see. Lots and lots of goodies to get inside of. Also, if you can see, I have a full face of just foundation and brows done. I thought it would be a lot of fun to do my makeup for the day whilst opening this PR package up. Okay, so first product that I'm going to pull out, these little cheek powder pods. So these are the Zoella and Colourpop Pressed Powder Cheek Blush and Highlighter. I think I'm gonna start off with the blush. This one is called Soulmate. Before I open it up, I just wanna get into how freaking cute the packaging is on this one. The inside of the box has this super cute like egg yolk print. I think that is so cool. And then this is the actual packaging of the item. How freaking cute is that? Once again, this is the blush and it is called Soulmate. And let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. That is such a pretty color. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's like a little fun, pretty pink shade. This is obviously a blush. I do want to put it on my cheeks today. Very, very nice and soft to touch. It feels really nice on the skin. I'm thinking because this collection doesn't actually come with a bronzer, I'm just gonna quickly apply some on before I do my blush. Colourpop is a cruelty-free brand, which makes them obviously a lot more special in my books. And they're really known for the pigmentation and quality of their items. As you can see, it picked up that blush color really, really nicely. Oh, that is such a nice color. So the color just feels very like fresh on the skin. I really like this color. I usually don't go for really pinky pinks like this, but I feel like this is perfect timing for me to play with this color because it feels very like fresh. The product isn't chalky at all. It really blends nicely on the skin. So that is the blush on the cheeks. I am just going to apply a little bit up top and then left over on my neck to give it some color. Really, really nice product. So far I'm very happy. And if you guys are wondering, the Soulmate Blush Pressed Powder is retailed for $8. Next is the highlighter. So this is the Swipe Right Pressed Powder Cheek Highlighter. Same packaging as the blush. So the highlight looks like a really good neutral one. This is definitely a shade I would reach for a lot. I'm just going to use a little fan brush for this guy and I'm going to apply it on. So the brush is picking up the product very easily, and it actually is a really nice subtle sheen, and I think I like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna grab a smaller brush and apply a little bit on the nose. So crazy. Okay, so I didn't realize until it actually sat on my skin for a little bit that it's giving off this pinky sheen color. I think it's so cool. I like it. I actually like it. Not what I was expecting, but I still do really, really like it. And if you guys are wondering, the Swipe Right Pressed Powder Cheek Highlighter retails for $8 as well. So before I get into any lip things or eyeliners or anything like that that are left inside the actual PR package, I do want to jump into the actual palette itself, which I am sure is what all of you guys are waiting for. So this is the Brunch Date palette. How cute is this? I am obsessed. And then the actual palette. How pretty is that packaging? That is everything. Like, that is so creative. That makes me so happy. It's so colorful and just really appealing to the eye. And there she is, ladies. Ooh, I love it. I am very, very excited to swatch this for you guys. So pretty. Oh my God, where do I begin? So she got really, really creative with the names. I'm so excited about this. So these are all pressed powders, and in the palette, you have some that are matte and then some that are shiny and shimmery. Starting off with Champagne Toast. This is a soft golden champagne. Then you have the color Pancakes Please, which is an antique bronze. French Toast, which is a rich burgundy brown. Skinny Latte, which is a bright rose gold with silver. Cinnamon Sugar, which is more like a bright copper. Mimosa, which is a rusty terracotta and it's a matte finish. Maple Syrup, which looks more like a warm caramel. Sunday Funday, which is an electric pink copper. That is also a really fun shade. Sunny Side Up, which is a soft pink peach. Americano, which is a deep cool toned brown. Brunch Club, which is a vivid cobalt blue. And then Extra Slice, which is a deep chocolate brown with gold and pink glitter. So those are all the shades in here. Once again, such fun, creative names and a really good color scheme. So this is a palette I can definitely see myself reaching for a lot because they really work around the color schemes I love to put on my eyes. This palette really is great and it's super affordable. It's only $18 to get the palette alone if you didn't want to get the entire PR package. So with that being said, I think I want to play around with this palette right now. I took a moment already just to put on some eyeshadow primer, and I'm gonna grab some brushes and we're just gonna jump right into this palette. I'm gonna start off with this color at the corner called Mimosa, and all I'm gonna do is put that in my crease. I am just gonna grab a smidge of the color French Toast right here, and I'm going to add that deeper in my crease for a little bit more depth. Then I'm gonna grab this shade here called Sunday Funday, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease. Wow, that is so pretty. Just gonna use my finger so that it presses down. I think I'm gonna grab Sunny Side Up now and put that over it. I'm gonna grab a little bit more Mimosa. Blend that on top on the crease. And now with a smaller brush, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of French Toast and Mimosa, and I'm gonna brush that underneath my lid. So that is my attempt of using the Zoella palette. I love it for my first time. So I think I'm gonna jump into the gel liners now that she also released with Colourpop. We have two liners here today. One is called XOXO and the other one is called Sincerely Yours. And look how cute the little packaging is for these guys. I think that they are adorable. Now, I think what I'm gonna do is see which color would look best. Oh my God, the packaging gets cuter, guys. Oh my God, look at those. How fun are those? So cute. So this one is Sincerely Yours. Okay, it's like a nice deep brown shade. And then we have here XOXO, which is more like a black. Both colors are extremely pigmented and creamy. They look like they're gonna be very easy to use. So for the sake of this makeup look that I'm doing, I'm gonna use the color Sincerely Yours, and I'm just gonna apply this at my waterline. And if you guys are interested in any of the water liners, these both are only retailing for $5, which is a really good deal for eyeliner. Before I move into some of the last few products, I did have this one here, which I'm very curious and I want to open up right now. And this is a Supernova Shadow Bundle. So this is called Group Hug, and it comes in the cutest little, like, it looks like an orange juice carton. And inside I have, oh my God, these are like the prettiest colors I've ever seen in my life. Holy crap. This is so pretty. These are called Supernova shadows. Now these are basically cream shadows that are metallic. I'm actually looking online. These were both given 5 stars. They have over 40 reviews on them. What's really nice about these two is that they can be used as a base alone or as a topper on your eyeshadow. The first shade we have here is called Bellini, and this one is said to be similar to a metallic rose gold shade. The next shade we have here is called OG. This is also another gorgeous shade. OG is described to be a champagne shade with little specks of metallic silver. This really excites me. I actually want to play with these on my Instagram. I might actually just post a photo when I do, but these are so freaking pretty, guys. Like, I'm obsessed. I literally, like, if you're looking to get anything in this entire collection, no brainer the palette, but these next on your list. These have to be number 2 because they are so pretty. But yes, gorgeous shades. I freaking love these. If you guys are interested in these are currently retailing for $7 each. Last but not least, in the actual PR package, I have 3 lip bundles. These come in the milk carton. I would literally put these out on display because they're so pretty. So what comes inside the lip bundle kits is an ultra matte lip and then a lip pencil. I'm gonna start with this one first. This one is called Little One. Oh, that's cute. That's actually what her boyfriend calls her, I believe. So this is Little One. This is supposed to be a dusty nude color. I've had multiple ultra matte lip products from Colourpop and I really love the formula. I honestly feel like they are the best quality and they stay on my lips the longest. So it's really nice that I have that one. And then we have the Little One lip pencil. That is a really pretty shade. I actually think I want to use this one today, but let me open up the other 2 and just see. So the next one has the ultra matte lip called Self Love Club, and then the lippy pencil is called Bossy. So this one comes in 2 different shades. They must be very similar though. Ooh, that is a pretty red. That is gorgeous. So Self Love Club is supposed to be a true red color. And then obviously you have Bossy, which is a very similar red to the actual ultra matte lip. So really nice little pair. I love a good classic red lip. The last lip bundle we have here is the ultra matte lip called At Me, and then the lippy pencil called Oh Snap. So like the first one that I showed you, Little One, it's supposed to be a dusty nude. This one is supposed to be a dusty pink. So At Me, really pretty color. That's a really nice one. And then you have the lip pencil Oh Snap, which matches it perfectly. So pretty, such great colors. They definitely go perfectly well with all of the other products that are in this entire range. So I think I want to go with the shade Little One. I just think that that is a really good color. So I'm just gonna pop on first the lippy. That's such a nice creamy lip pencil and I'm already in love with the color on my lip. And now I'm just gonna use the Little One Ultra Matte Lippy. So before I finish this video, let me just throw on some mascara, and that is the look. Lastly, in the actual packaging, I want to like display this out because it's so cute. If you guys are interested in the bag, you can get it for $10 on Colourpop, and in the bag you get the cutest little stickers ever. Oh, look at these. I'm gonna put these all over my laptop and phone when I'm done with this video. It's so cute. But yeah, guys, that was everything inside of the Zoella and Colourpop Brunch Date PR collection. I'm so happy with everything, and I knew I would be because I love Colourpop makeup, very great quality, and I know Zoella would do an amazing job in it too. It's very her, and she did something that a lot of her fans would like. But yeah, this is my makeup for the day, so I am happy. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also make sure that you are subscribed and that you click that notification bell so that you're alerted every single time I make videos. I make videos every single week. Let me know down below if you actually got any of these products or which one was your favorite. I have to say my favorite products, the actual palette and then the Supernova Shadow Bundle. I think that these are 2 products you can literally use all the time. As for everything else, they're really great everyday products, so I'm super happy that I have my hands on them too. That is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I'll catch you guys again very soon. Bye!